if you look at the Nintendo game, but you get a red light. To clean that, you want to take the top off. You can see the link below. I said a couple links about how to clean Nintendo. So basically, I took it apart and then I had to clean it with rubbing alcohol. Usually, you want at least 70%, 91% is better, and you want to use cotton swabs. For the actual Nintendo game, use the similar technique to like Sega or Super Nintendo, any other cartridge. But basically, you want at least 70% alcohol, maybe 91%, and you want cotton swabs. And you want to swab back and forth the top and bottom of the pin, and then do it again to make sure you got all the dirt.